Hey guys, I'm BK. I hope you're all fine. Today we're going to learn about types of environment variables in Jenkins. So as we all know, in CI/CD pipeline in Groovy script in Jenkins, uh, we need to use environment variable on our script. So there are different types. So we can use global properties, we can use derivative pipelines. There are many options that in environment variable. So in this video, going to do a hands-on. So this video is going to be a 15 minutes video or 10 minutes. So please watch this video till the end. If you are going to interview these kinds of questions, definitely interviewer will ask you. Please tell types of environment variable and how to use environment variable in the Groovy script and which one is good, which one you would prefer. These kind of questions definitely interviewer will ask you. And let's get started. env pipeline. I'm going to create the pipeline. The pipeline name is env pipeline pipelines. So I'm going to click this pipelines and click OK. And let's write the Groovy script. PIPLEN pipeline. Agent is any. Let me agent and environment. This is going to be keys and key name is which is okay, and stages, and again curly bracket and the stage. This is env stage, and echo means I'm just print this key env dot key. So let's run this code. Let's see what will happen. So before that, I should use steps. Yes. So we're going to copy this. We need to provide this inside the step lab. So let's save and run this first job. See, the job is running successfully. You see this, the Vijay is printed. What exactly happening here? Let's discuss. See, this is here I provided this environment. So inside the environment, I provided this key is equal to Vijay. So I can use this env.key. I can get the value of this key. So this is how many organizations and many CI/CD pipelines like using this environment. So this is by using this environment block. Okay, now this is one step, and also we can use like this by using pipeline syntax. We can generate that environment block by choosing this derivative. Here you see I chose this derivative as environment. Here I'm going to add key. The key value is going to be the PATHY and get this, and we can use like this. So this is the first step, this is the first type, which is we can use this environment block on our Groovy script, on our pipeline script. And let's move on second type. The second type is that we can use global properties. So we get that option under the system. See, under the system, I can get this global property. So here already I added environment variable. So if you call name, you can get Talapati. Let's check name, and let's move on. What is it? I must bulldoze tree, pipelines, CME pipelines, config. Here, I'm going to copy this stage and paste. This is global properties. So I'm going to change this name as proper PROPERTYS or something. Okay. Here I'm going to use name. So let's see. So here what I'm trying to do is that I set the environment variable as a global property, which means I can use that environment variable in any pipelines, any jobs. Okay, here we don't need to mention this. Let's see. Here I'm going to remove. Here also I'm going to change a name. Let's save and build now. Pipeline successful. Here you see Talapati and Talapati. Where this value comes from? From the global properties. Okay, so this is second step. And third step is we can use with env. Let's see how it look like with env. And so this is the repository I'm using, so you don't need to worry about the commands which I perform in this video. You get those codes in my repository. You get this link on this video description. Okay, let's check where is within env. So I'm going to copy this and share. I'm going to remove the steps. Let's copy this. So by using this with env, inside we can provide our environment variables. Okay, let's say what it was. Before that, I'm going to change. This is with env tag. With env. Apply, save, and build. So Python is failed. What happened? Stage. What's the error? Unknown stage section with env start with the version 0.5 and step in stage marks will be in a steps black. Okay. And here I'm going to add steps and again apply, save and build now. Yeah, it is working fine. So I should add steps. Here you see my value. This with env also working fine. So this is third type. Okay, if the first type is, we can use environment black on our Groovy script, and second one is we can set environment on global environment property, and third step is we can, by using this with env, so we can pass our environment. Okay. Steps. Okay. And now I'm going to copy this. And also we can set the environment variable on server by using export. Let's see how to do. Export and values. So let me copy this. Show export. I'm going to copy this. I'm exporting the environment variable on the server. Okay. So you see, export my variable server. My variable, this is the key and this is the value. Let's copy this and paste it on our local server. Let's see what we have. And echo my that. You see this? So what exactly happening here? We are exporting this key and value on our server environment. Okay, if you call this dollar with your variable name, with your key name, you can get the value. Okay, this is fourth type, which is SH. Let's save it and run. And then now, so build successful, and you see this SH stage. You see, it is working fine. Okay. Then the last step is that we can use a file. So from the file we can get the environment variable. Let's copy this. See, diff, and diff means defining variable. By using diff, what we can do, we can define the variable, we can define the function, we can define the class. So now on this question will definitely definitely will get doubt. So define this function and the classes and variables. I can use it in Python language or Java language, but here in GroovyScript we can use this. Yeah, definitely we can use this. So Groovy is also the language, so it has function, it has own class, it has own variables, it has own data type. Okay, so what here I'm trying to do the env.properties, which means if you get the in CI/CD, definitely you need to check out your code from the Git repository. Okay, on your code you can provide this option, which is env, this file env.properties, and inside the env.properties you can provide the environment names. Okay, environment variables. So by using this read properties file, what this will do, it will read the content on your file and it will store the content in this variable, which is props. And then we can use this props under the environment. Okay, and here they get key, which is my underscore vars, where the option comes from here. So I want this my variable. So this option you try it by your own. So this is homework today, and which is very easy. And the first thing what you need to do is you need to push your code with this env.properties on GitHub. Then on Jenkins you pull the code from the GitHub, and on Groovy code you need to add this, as well as you need to add this. Then here you call env.my_vars. So these all the steps Jenkins has. So I hope this video will help you, and if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe my channel, and bye bye. We'll see you in another video.